Good morning, happy homeowners. Going to be refinishing this Douglas fir today, and I'm excited because normally the Douglas fir that we refinish is 100 years old, and this one is probably 10, 15 years old, maybe. Beautiful house up in Altadena. Turn this around. Just a beautiful property. Go inside here, show you this. To where normally, the Douglas fir would have been back in the 1920s and something, and to keep the feel of this house. And it's oranged, and it's beat up just from the scratches. You can see that. Carpet used to be here, and all your wear patterns, but we're going to take all of that out. All the scratches, those are going to be gone. You can see here. But once it's finished, we're going to be real close to this, where they used to have a piece of furniture. But the same thing, get your wear patterns all through here. It'll all be back to brand new again. Look at this. I'm excited to get that fixed all through here. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, stay tuned.